Heyo, paisanos! It's TuneGamer23, and I've got something special for you guys. I got this early this morning, but it was well worth it. The Nintendo Switch. That's right, these things are very hard to find. They're selling like hotcakes right now, and I can see why. It's revolutionary, state-of-the-art, and it's the newest console, of course. But I stayed in line at a Toys R Us, a local Toys R Us, and I got there early. I usually get up early for work, but I I was used to it. So
Get on with it!
well, anyway, enough blabber. Let's open this and see what we got. Okay, so I know it's kind of blurry, but basically this is just labeling the parts of the system. The Nintendo Switch console, the Joy-Cons, the grips, the straps, I mean, the HDMI cable, the dock, the grip, and the AC adapter. Alright, in we go. Well, this is configuration of how to, instructions on how to set it up. We'll read those in a moment. Okay, so I got the gray version, so not the red and blue version, but kind of find the red and blue a little flashy, but I may get the other Joy-Con colors in a separate pack later on. So anyway, these are the Joy-Cons, and this is the main screen part. And I like to call this the tablet, because you know, it looks kind of like a tablet. Okay, we have the HDMI cable. It requires an HD television to work with, and I usually play video games up in my room. Unfortunately, the TV in my room is just a 4x3, I think, 3x4, 4x3. Anyway, it's square. It's not one of those HD televisions. But we do have one out in the living room, so maybe with my parents' permission, I can have that. We have the AC adapter here, so I can charge the main console. You obviously need that. These are the Joy-Con straps. You can hook these up to the Joy-Cons when you're holding them separately away from the tablet part. And you can strap them around your wrist, and that way you'll never lose them as long as you're holding them. Let's see, this feels like the grip. You just slip the Joy-Cons through here and also in here, and you'll feel like you're holding a classic video game controller. Not bad. Health and safety information and usage guidelines. I'll read those, probably. And last but not least, the dock, which is a really cool thing because you can place the tablet place the screen, you know, the main part in here. And when you have it hooked up to a television, it transfers the screen from this part to HD television screen. So it's good stuff. All right, so let me get this hooked up, and I'll see you guys in a little bit.
A few moments later.
Okay, before I actually get this thing set up, I just wanted to take everything out of the packaging and let you see how it looks without it. Okay, here's the dock, here's the main console, there's the Joy-Cons, there's the straps, the grip, the HDMI connector, and the AC adapter. Okay, so now I have the screen and the tablet. So, I've also got this. I bought this a couple weeks ago just to prepare myself for the hype, but the console is more hard to find than this. And this is the size of the game card.
It is so tiny!
You can say that again. Alright. Now just put it in the console. Alright. Alright. Here's the controllers. Just slide in. Oh, it's just my dad. Oh, sorry. Okay, just put the... Okay. Alright. The clicks. Alright. English. The Americas. Alright. View and utilize agreement. Probably later. Okay, connecting to the network. Unless I chose the wrong one. There it goes. There we go. Okay. It's New York and Toronto. Okay, detach the Joy-Cons. We'll place it here. There we go. Alright. So I think we used the Joy-Cons for this. Alright. Already taking care of that. Alright. Yeah, took care of that. Stand. Okay. I'll choose Toon Link. Let's see.
Eventually.
Okay, so there's my backup nickname. Let's call that by my folks. Because this, when I was a kid, I used to scoot down the stairs. Okay. One person, add another user. Oh, I think that's might be mistaken. cancel that one. Sorry I'm not more engaging. Just I'm trying to figure this out. Hang on a sec. I'll be right back. Alright. Configure parent controls. Well, I don't have any kids over, so... And I'm not a kid anymore. Doesn't mean I don't like kid stuff. Let's see. It's the home button to open the home menu. Alright, we are there. Right, Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. And my avatar is Toon Link. And I'm sure there's some other settings on this thing. But that's basically the gist of it. This has been the unboxing of the Nintendo Switch and the setup. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe and have a nice day. And hopefully you can get your Switch if you sign up to GameStop or tune into Toys R Us or Best Buy, Walmart, any other retailer. Just good luck to you out there for those Switch hunters that are still finding theirs. Okay? All right. Take care. Bye bye.